can you use GPT-4 for totally free? So without paying for the subscription? Now, that's what I'm going to answer in this video. Now, a very quick answer is yes, you can, but there are some limitations. Now, over here, I went to po.com. It is by Quora. If you search for po.com/GPT-4, you will get this website. Now, here you have all of these different chat bots, as you can see, and you have ChatGPT normal and you have the GPT-4, and it says limited access. Now, if you can read over here, it says due to limited capacity, we have had to limit message sending on this bot. You have one free message left today. So I believe you can send one free message to GPT-4 every single day, which is definitely not a lot, but yeah, there's just so much demand for it that it's just very hard to like get free access to GPT-4, but it is possible. Now, the second option is the new Bing. So if you search for Bing and then go to their website and their new version, you can see chat over there. So if you click on there, you can now see chat mode is only available when you have access to the new Bing. Now, here you can join the waitlist. Now, I am not sure if you actually join a waitlist or if you get immediate access to the new chat in Bing. But yeah, as you can see over here, does Bing use GPT-4? Microsoft confirms that the new Bing search experience now runs on GPT-4, which is great. So yeah, I hope you can try and get your hands on this. And in the meantime, you can try this like every single day if you want to. But yeah, I hope this very quick video helped you out and it answered your questions. And let me know in the comments if it did. And then I will see you next time. Have a good day.